Behavioral conditions are used for showing, hiding, or disabling fields, sections, or entire pages of a digital process. Conditions are implemented on Webflow components. When clicking a component, the Behavior tab appears on the right section. The tab includes the Add Condition option. After clicking the option, the Edit Condition window appears. The Edit Condition window enables you to build logical expressions using a simple expression or an advanced formula. Each logical expression has an outcome, a trigger, and a calculation method. Let's describe the first calculation method, simple expression. A simple expression has three parameters: selector, comparison operator, and value. The selector can be a component or a metadata item. A selector can be added by copying its path using the Behavior tab and pasting it into the selector field, or by typing and selecting. The value will be textual or numeric when the added selector is a string type component, and true or false in case the added selector is a Boolean type component. Checkbox. A logical expression can include more than one condition. After clicking the plus Add Condition button, another condition row appears. When adding more than one condition, it is mandatory to set the operation between them, or/and. Let's see an example. This Webflow includes two page components. The first page contains a radio group component with two options, yes and no. The second page contains a static text and a grid with three text field components and a date input component to input information about a spouse. If the end user indicates they have a spouse, the second page will appear. If a spouse is not involved, the second page will be hidden. To build the condition, we will click the radio group component and then the Behavior tab. Then we will copy the path of the component and click the second page. Then the Behavior tab and the Add Condition option. When the Edit Condition window appears, we will paste the radio group component path as the selector, set the comparison operator to equals to, and set the value to yes. Let's test the condition. When the end user has no spouse, the second page is hidden. When the spouse is involved, the second page is displayed. Perfect. Now, let's describe the second calculation method, the advanced formula. After clicking the Create button, the Formula Editor window appears. The editor enables you to build formulas. It contains operators, functions, and two types of variables, data items and metadata items. Let's describe how to create a condition based on a formula. The end user inputs their and their spouse's yearly income. If the joint income is bigger than $60,000, the text will appear. To build the condition, we will click the Container component, the Behavior tab, and then the Add Condition button. When the Edit Condition window appears, we will set the calculation method to Formula Advanced. Next, we will build the formula using different functions and variables. Let's test the condition. Perfect, the text is displayed or hidden according to the condition.